ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಈ ಆಟದ ಕೂಲಿ ನನ್ ಮಗ. ಯಾರಿಗಿದೆ ಬರ ಕೇಳು.
ಯಾರವನು?
ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಓವರ್ ಅಥ್ಲೇಟ್.
ನಾನು ಪೆದ್ದಿ ಸಾರು. ಸೋಲಾಗ್ಲಿ ಗೆಲುವಾಗ್ಲಿ ಈ ಬೆಟ್ಟದ ಕೆಳಗಿನ ಊರ್ನ ಒಂದೇ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು.
The movie critical reception. Yashaswini Sri of the Indian Express rated the film 2.5 out of 5 stars and wrote, Buchi Babu Sana comes into his second film with a genuinely interesting idea at its core, and Ram Charan makes the most of it, but the film carries too much weight in the wrong places and not enough where it counts. BVS Prakash of Deccan Chronicle gave the film 2 out of 5 stars and wrote, despite a strong performances from Ram Charan and touching climax, Peddy fails to realize its potential due to a weak screenplay, forced commercial elements, and lack of emotional engagement. The film made 112 crore globally on its opening day. Director Buchi Babu Sana's Peddy is a grand emotional sports action drama powered by a towering career-best performance from Ram Charan. While the film features spectacular cricket and wrestling sequences and an excellent score by A.R. Rahman, it is heavily weighed down by a stretched runtime, predictable sports tropes, and weak romantic writing. The good Ram Charan's dedication, he completely transforms himself to play a rustic, hard-hitting laborer turned versatile athlete. His physical acting and screen presence carry the film. Thrilling sport blocks, the high-stakes cricket matches in the first half, and the intense wrestling segments in the second half are masterfully shot. Stellar technicals. The cinematography by Ratnavelu brings a vintage, gritty visual texture to the rural setting, and Rahman's background score elevates the emotional beats. The needs improvement, weak screenplay and pacing. At nearly 3 hours long, the narrative drags and falls back on standard commercial film formulas. Underwritten romance, the romantic subplot involving Janvi Kapoor feels forced and distracts from the core narrative. Derivative themes, viewers may feel the story borrows elements from other hit sports dramas like Dangal and Sultan without adding much fresh perspective. Overall verdict rating 2.5 out of 5 stars. The call, it is a treat for die-hard Ram Charan fans, but casual viewers might find lengthy runtime and uneven writing